Welcome back, everybody. Today we have the Winter Colossal mystery box from Single Swag. A lot of these boxes, this box cost me $55 and we're supposed to have like 24 different items in it or something. So it's priced at like 110, but if you use code SPARKLE, you get it for 50% off. So I got it for $55. So let's go ahead and see what is in this. A lot of this stuff is going to get duplicated over the next few months. Watch. You'll see in the upcoming Single Swag boxes. So here it says, enjoy your mystery box featuring the top most favorited full size from items from our collection. Trash, here is a Santa hat. Okay, that is item number one, is a Santa hat. Okay. Ooh, here we have and it's just in this box, by the way. There's no like special packaging or special explanation like booklets or anything. So these are some nice soft slippers. I'm not gonna break them open right now. These look really nice and cozy. Look at this is elastic right here. And it has some grippies on the bottom. So that's really nice. I do like those a lot. These are Fuzzy Baba. One pair of slipper socks. These are really soft. I might actually really use those. Here are some cute cookie cutters. Look at those colors. Let me turn off my overhead light for a second so we can see better. Look at those pretty colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 different cookie cutters, all in the different snowflake shapes. Snowflake, hand wash. Yeah, these are standard. But I like the colors and I like how there's a little small one. I don't often make cookies, but maybe I will. Maybe I will this season. Okay, here is a beanie. This is a navy blue color. It's pretty soft. Ooh, look at that inside. This is that polyester, that really, really soft, like how the blankets are made. That's gonna feel really nice on. It's a navy blue. I wonder if it's called the Winter brand. Never heard of it. Chenille, polyester lining, hand wash only. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. That's really soft though. I wish it was a different color. I don't often wear navy blue. Okay, let's see what's next. Here we have a brightening facial mask, refreshing aroma of a cherry snow cone. Okay, brightening, keep your cool this holiday season with our vitamin C infused facial mask. Unwrap facial mask, place and smooth mask onto clean face. Leave mask on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove mask and gently pat excess. So it's a standard mask. Very cute little snowman guy. Ooh, a hair turban. I actually just got a hair turban. We saw this in, I think it was the Calm box or the TheraBox. I can't remember which one. And I've actually been using it. It's pretty nice. So here is it looks like it's pink. I don't want to open it because since I just got one, I'll probably just donate this. So it's pink and white. These turbans dries hair faster. They are friction-free drying, helps tame frizz, suitable for all hair types and lengths. So that's what these turbans are. This is how you use it. So you twist it, you put your head over, you twist it, and then you pin it back. All right. Let's see, let's go with this. Ooh, this is a wood. This is a wood. This outer layer right here is wood. It is not plastic that looks like wood. It really is wood. That inner portion is plastic. But this is wood. That's interesting. Whoa, my bad. Okay, let's see what this is. Detox, crema ligera, oxygen light cream, aloe vera green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. I'm assuming this is just a lotion. So here it is. Let's see if we can open this. It's very nice. It feels nice on. Very faint scent, if any scent at all. Just smells like natural oils. It's nice. So there you go. That is the Neobay Natural and Organic Detox Oxygen Light Cream. What is this? It is in a little bag that says Melinda Maria. This has to be a piece of jewelry. Oh, how cute is that? So that is a little paper clip necklace, like real paper clip necklace. How cute is that? I actually really like that. Can you see that up close? It has little crystals, cubic zirconia probably, in the paper clip portion. It says, note to self, you are loved, you are safe, you are amazing. We have a lobster claw clasp with like a 3-inch adjustable chain. That's really cute. I will definitely wear that. Okay, we will put that back. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is my 3rd box from Single Swag of these masks. I think they really want to get rid of them because they're like in every single box we get. So this is just going straight into the donate pile. This is a Swedish dishcloth. It says it's a durable sponge cloth. They're actually called Swedish dishcloths. They don't dry very well. They dry really hard, but they're really nice to have to like clean with. And we have a cute little design for Christmas, a reindeer, very Portland-esque reindeer, hipster reindeer. So it does soften when wet. It turns into like, sponge material. It's hard, and this is how it dries. It dries hard like this. So you can't like soak up spills or anything with them, but they clean really well and they're very durable. So I like using these. You can get them at Costco too. Here we have some socks. So it says something on here. Time to live vicarious through Christmas movies. How cute. And then the other sock is a little like radio with holly and presents. Mistletoe marathon socks. Keep your feet cozy and colorful. How cute. I do like those. They're going to get covered in dog hair at my house. What's next? Here we have Argan Hair Oil, a restorative Moroccan oil by Ivy Olivia, 3.5 ounces. We apply small amount to palms of hands, massage into damp hair and style. Apply a few more drops to finished look for added shine and protection. I've never used this brand before. Let's take a look at the bottle. Plastic bottle. And there we have it. It has directions on how to use. Oh, that's the front. I thought that was the front. There's the front. So it is the Ivy Olivia Argan Hair Oil. You can see it in there. Okay. What is next? I'm going to count how many things we got at the end when we're all done. Here's another jewelry item, lilyskydesigns.com. Oh, yeah, those don't match at all, but these are really cute. These are the Van Cleef replicas that are super popular right now. These look very similar, but there's better knockoffs right now. And usually it is with a piece of, the necklace is the same 4-leaf clover design, but this is an elephant, which I'm not hating, but it just doesn't match. I will definitely wear the elephant because he's very cute. And I actually have a ton of these right now. I got them off Amazon. So, very cute. They just don't match. Okay. Don't hate it. I'll probably gift those to somebody. If they don't get them. Ah, crap. All right. Okay, what's this? This is So Susan Cosmetics. It is Skin Pristine. It is Makeup Melting Cream Cleanser. So this is a cleanser, very skinny bottle, but it takes off your makeup. The cleanser I will not use cleanser that doesn't remove makeup. It's just pointless to me. I don't want to try and remove makeup and then use a cleanser. So this gentle non-foaming cleanser is intentionally formulated in a rich, hydrating souffle-like consistency to remove makeup and daily pollutants. So there you have it. I'm not going to open this. Look at this. This is True Beauty 12 puffs. This is nice. I wish some of these were triangular, but it looks like they all are circular. These are really nice to use, and you can hand wash and machine wash them. So True Beauty, that's a good brand, and nice. Definitely be using those. Let's see what next is. This is a Face It sheet mask. Empower Beauty collagen and peptide infused 5-piece sheet mask set. That's a lot. Up front has always been your motto. So put your best face forward with a hydrating sheet mask infused with skin plumping collagen and peptides. Unfold sheet mask and apply to clean, dry skin. Once sheet mask is applied, allow it to penetrate for 15 minutes. Remove mask, rub excess. So it's standard. I've never used their sheet masks. So if you've used them, let me know. Here we have, another one, Rose and Berries Aqua Bouncy Mask. This is the Green Revolution. So here we have a mask. This is too little to read, and it is not, here we go. Layer the product over cleansed skin after 5 to 10 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water while gently massaging the skin. So It is a 5 to 10 minute mask. Probably smells really good. I don't want to break it open, but I think it is the same because the bottle is the same, but this is very weird. It's not the same brand, but the bottle is the same. Okay, that's all right. Here we go. I woke up like this. Sophia and Maybell Skin Perfecting Primer. Let's see what the primer looks like. So, I don't want to open that. But here it is a gel consistency. Okay. So we have a primer. Here we have another jewelry piece by Violet Harper. Ooh, okay, I do like this at all. I have similar earrings to that, so I will probably gift those, but this is like a champagne gold. I really like these champagne colors. I don't know if this is all one piece or if this is like with layers, but I really like that. This is, like I said, this is a champagne gold. I'm getting more stuff in this champagne gold color. It's really pretty. And then these earrings, if you can see, they're 3D. Well, of course they're 3D. I don't know how to explain it. There's nooks and valleys, and it's not just like straight. It's very textured. That is really pretty. I like that a lot. Very nice. Violet Harper. Okay. Amika, this is a great brand. This is Bond Repair Conditioner. I think I have the shampoo. We got the shampoo in a different box. So this is 2 ounces. So you can keep these and travel with them, which is nice. And Amika products smell super good. I love their scent. And they all pretty much smell the same, so. What are these? These are pom-pom bands. Set of 6 elastic poms. Oh, they're drink markers. How cute is that? I'm going to a Halloween party tomorrow night, or Friday night. So I will definitely take these along. And I'll take them out of the packaging so we can see them a little bit better. And they're just like, they were like elastic hairbands with just these little palms on them. So that's very cute. Spongel. Every box we get one of these Spongels. This is the Lavender Sky scent. They smell really great. I do like them a lot. And they're good for like 10 uses. Let me show you what they look like. They smell super good. It's a sponge and it's infused with soap. So you let the water soak it. You soak this with water and then you squeeze it and you get it all sudsy and then you can use it. So, and all of these Spongels, they have amazing scents. My favorite is Apple Blossom. Put that back. So here we have a book, Badass Habits. Do we have this? Did we open this in another book or in another box? I wonder. I think we got this in another box, but let's take a look at the contents so you can see who you're in the habit of being, healthy boundaries, shape-shifting into the new you, 21 days to badass habits, and the audacity to be yourself. Those are the contents. And the book is about 250 pages. So there's another book that's really good. It's called Atomic Habits. If you haven't read it, you should. There's another. Here is awesome social media quizzes. This might be fun. Let's check what this is all about. Okay. These are all of the quizzes. You can pause and take a look because I don't want to bore you with reading all of these off and wasting your time. And these are the results. So you go to this page and then you write the results. So you get to take the test and you can ask your friends and stuff. Oh, I totally just broke that. It just came unglued. That's okay. As my coworker Lauren knows, I like to destroy my books anyhow. Do people think you're funny? Ask Lauren. Probably not. So yeah, awesome social media quizzes. That's a fun little book. And there you have it. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We have 23 items in here. Did I count that right? I thought we were supposed to have 24. But one. That is okay. So this is, we have, in summary, we have the Santa hat. We have the beanie. We have the slippers. We have the face mask. One of the, here's the 24th one. The other face masks that we have a million of. Face masks. We have the pom-pom bands. We have the socks. We have this cleaner. Jewelry. Makeup cleanser, cleaner. A hair turban. Jewelry. Powder puffs. 2 books. Jewelry. Argan oil. More masks. Primer. Conditioner. Mask. Lotion. I think that's lotion. And these pretty little cookie cutters again. So there you have it. That is the winter Colossal Singles Swag box. Is it worth $55? You tell me. I'm probably going to be using like 2 of these things. So for me, it was probably a waste of money. But that's all right. That's what I do for a living. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if there's any other boxes that you want me to get, and I will check them out. Okay, you guys have a good night. Bye.